Hey, wait a second. What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, there's a simple system that can start pulling in traffic, leads, and sales, without you needing to be a tech expert, without spending thousands on ads, and without wasting months trying to figure things out? Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what I thought too. But then I discovered something that completely changed the game. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to make money online, but felt stuck? Maybe you bought courses, watched hours of YouTube videos, or even tried running ads, but nothing really worked the way you expected. No consistent traffic, no real conversions, just confusion, frustration, and wasted time. If that sounds like you, then listen carefully, because what I'm about to share could change everything. Introducing a powerful system designed to solve the big problem most people face online: getting traffic that actually converts into buyers. Because let's be honest, traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. No traffic equals no sales. But here's the problem. Most traffic methods are either too complicated, too expensive, or simply don't work anymore. And that's exactly why this system stands out. It's built for beginners and experienced marketers, and it focuses on something that actually matters: real, targeted traffic that brings results. Now imagine this. What if you could get consistent visitors to your offers, turn clicks into actual paying customers, and finally start seeing results online, all without feeling overwhelmed? That's exactly what this system helps you do. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience. Everything is laid out step by step, so you can simply follow along and start implementing immediately. No guesswork, no confusion, just a clear path to results. Now, let me be real with you. This is not some get-rich-quick magic trick. But if you're serious about making money online, and you're willing to take action, this can be a complete game changer. Because instead of struggling and trying random methods, you'll finally have a proven system in your hands. And here's what makes it even more powerful. It's designed to help you save time, save money, and avoid costly mistakes. Think about it. How much time have you already wasted trying to figure things out? How much money have you spent on things that didn't work? Exactly. That's why having the right system matters. Now here's what you need to do next. Go ahead and check the link in the description right now. Yes, the link is in the description. Click it and see exactly how this system works. But wait, there's more. I want to make this a complete no-brainer for you. If you purchase through the link in the description, I'm going to give you an exclusive free bonus. This bonus is designed to help you get even faster results, boost your conversions, and maximize your earnings. And here's how to claim it. After purchasing, just contact me on Instagram. Send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I'll personally send you the bonus. Simple as that. So not only are you getting access to this powerful system, you're also getting an extra advantage that most people won't have. But remember, opportunities like this don't stay around forever. And the longer you wait, the longer you stay stuck in the same place. So ask yourself, do you want to keep struggling? Or do you want to finally take action and move forward? The choice is yours. But if you're serious about changing your results, click the link in the description now. Take action today and start building something that actually works. Don't overthink it. Don't delay it. This could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Again, link is in the description. Grab it now. And don't forget your free bonus. I'll see you on the inside.